The leaders of the United States, Japan and South Korea have hailed a new era of trilateral partnership, announcing a series of measures aimed at bolstering cooperation at a historic summit near Washington, D.C. The event at the Camp David Presidential Retreat on Friday marked the first official meeting between U.S. President Joe Biden, his South Korean counterpart Yoon Suk-yeol, and Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. It comes amid thawing relations between South Korea and Japan, and as the three countries have grown increasingly concerned over China's growing assertiveness in the Asia-Pacific region, as well as a string of recent North Korean missile tests.